A Já Production apresenta Agrifodas, Renascentes e Bono do Xirangano. Escutem só.
Greetings and welcome to the International Dance Week Online. We are a Free Flow Dance Theatre Company. My name is Jackie Latondras and I'm the Artistic Director of Free Flow and the curator for this week's program. I am so thrilled with the talented lineup of Canadian artists that we've been able to bring to you this week. Despite the challenges of the pandemic, our artists have adapted and innovated in order to bring you new, exciting, and relevant work. As we think about the international and culturally diverse nature of dance, I'd like to begin by acknowledging that we're here on traditional lands referred to as Treaty 6 territory, and that the city of Saskatoon and all the people here are beneficiaries of this peace and friendship treaty. Treaty 6 encompasses the traditional territories of numerous First Nations, including Cree, Dene, Nakota, Dakota, Saulteaux, and the Métis Nation. We are dedicated to ensuring the spirit of reconciliation, and Treaty 6 is honored and respected. This acknowledgement also reaffirms our relationship with one another, and in the spirit of International Dance Week, I invite you to take a moment to think about and reflect on the history of the land that you are on, and express your own appreciation and personal acknowledgements. And now, please enjoy this evening's live-streamed performance.
I am the water. I am the water, essence of this blue planet and parts of every being, a reflection of the sky, of the bluest of blues, of turquoise, sentient and severe, a dark so deep I swallow the light in packets of waves and brilliance and refraction for breakfast. I am a change of state, fluid, vibrant and life-giving, a memory deep and in between, a perpetual, a finite. I am the water, essence of this blue planet and parts of every being, a reflection of the skies, of the bluest of blues, of turquoise, sentient and survived of dark so deep I swallow the light in packets of waves and brilliance and refraction for breakfast. I am a change of state, fluid, vibrant, life-giving, a memory deep and in between, a perpetual, finite, a reflection and refraction of the microcosm of our connection. I am the water, essence of this blue planet and part of every being, a reflection of the skies, of the bluest of blues, turquoise, sentient and severe, a dark so deep I swallow the light in packets of waves for breakfast. I am change of state, a memory deep and in between, a perpetual, a finite, a reflection and refraction of the microcosm of our connection. I am water, essence of this blue planet, and part of every being, a reflection of the skies, sentient and severe, change of state, memory, a perpetual, a finite, reflection I am the water.
Hi, everyone. Dominga here for the Talkback. I'm a Nakota Jamaican woman from the southeast corner of Saskatchewan, a little reserve called Pheasant Rump Nakota First Nation. I'm a cultural lover and a lover of dance. And so I'm very excited to speak with ecoaborijanelle and Kyle tonight. Thank you both for such a beautiful, beautiful performance. I'm sitting here trying to process it a little bit still, but I could really relate to the water imagery, and I really felt like I was underwater with you guys there for a moment. So it came off really, really well. And thank you for taking some time to talk with me now. Is it okay if I call you Janelle?
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, okay. So I'll just start off with asking you a quick question here.
Sure.
So I think I know, as an Indigenous woman, kind of what inspires this piece and this water imagery and the messaging that you were trying to get forward. But do you want to tell me a little bit about how you conveyed that to Kyle and how this whole thing came together for you?
Okay. Where do I begin? Okay, so this topic is near and dear to my heart, both for like really personal, serious reasons, like accessing my basic human rights of water and sanitation, to seeing the systemic issues of lack of access of clean drinking water to First Nations communities across Saskatchewan, across Canada, across the US, as well as in third world countries. So that's a topic that's near and dear to my heart. But besides that, like, how do you embody that topic? It's so heavy. And I've been practicing a lot in creating my personal relationship to water, personifying it, honoring it, acknowledging it, trying to figure out the teachings and stories of my connection. Because as Nehio people, the Cree people of this territory, this is our duty and rights to protect these lands and waters. So that's where I'm coming from with this work. But it's always really lovely to work with Kyle, who seemed really open to talking about this topic. Well, not talking about it, but like creating works around it, dreaming works, I'm not sure what you thought about like this whole process that happened, but I can tell you that like it was so interesting to try form and make a connection, because it was all on Zoom pretty much in our practices, except for like the one time we could get together and then today. So it's been really neat doing that process. So that's just some of the insights into like why we chose this topic and what I feel is how it came out to be today. So thank you for all your compliments as well. I appreciate it.
It really came across, Janelle. I could feel and relate. As an Indigenous woman, I understand what you're speaking about, and so it was quite powerful, and so thank you for doing that. Kyle, now typically, and all week, we've kind of had two dancers working together, and so now we've thrown spoken word in with dance and with some pretty intense topic here as well. So I'm wondering how that went for you, how this process has been. Yeah.
The process has been actually delightful, even though Janelle, it's nice to be in person with Janelle, and being far was a bit of a challenge, but it was fun. Just even the talking was cool, a nice reason to get to know someone, and I love and need water as well. So definitely resonated, the topic resonated with me. And as far as working with spoken word, I didn't really feel like it was that different than working with another dancer. I mean, Janelle's definitely a natural mover, and had some training in her past and that, but likes to move, so that was very easy and inspiring. I think more perhaps than most spoken word artists. So yeah, that was a treat.
Cool. Well, let me just say the collaboration came off really, really well. And I think everyone, I think these are being recorded and shared after. So I think people should tune in and check that out again. If you at home enjoyed it, please feel free to donate and support the arts, especially in these challenging times as we try to transition through and keep everyone safe. I'd like to thank the sponsors, SAS Culture, Sask Arts, Sightline Design, and of course, Free Flow Dance. Now, thank you all for tuning in. We'll be back again tomorrow night for night number 7 of the International Dance Week Online. Thank you all and have a great evening.